So, welcome back. This is vlog 16. I'm having a bit of a problem right now. So I have all the footage that would be on this GoPro right here on this flash drive, or it's a micro SD to USB converter. It always works, but now when I plug it in, it should be loading up drive E, which is what this is when it's loading. It says this. If it'll focus on GoPro. Well, it says the file is corrupt or is unreadable. And that's new because that's never happened before. It's happened to like individual videos when the GoPro just turned off in the middle of it recording for some reason, but it's never shown that the whole SD card is corrupt. So all the vlog footage from today is gone, so today's gonna be especially short. If you guys know what the problem with this is, here, wait, let me see if I can get it so you guys can see it. This is what it says. I don't know if you guys can read this or not, but it says, error, this is not accessible. The file or directory is corrupt and unreadable. So I don't really know what to do now. I'm just going to super summarize the vlog for today. Welcome back, this is vlog 16. I'm at a big forest looking thing in a park, and it should be some nice flying so I can go up and down the trees.
I can't seem to help myself. You're in my mind cause no one else knows you like I know yourself. I can be greedy, selfish and needy. I can't find the words to say. You're like a drug that numbs my pain. You got me seeing types of ways. I could be tripping, I think I'm addicted, intoxicated. I'm drunk on you, I'm paralyzed and can't move like a parasite. I'm stuck on you, baby, I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with you. Could you be my muse? There's no one who is quite like you. Imagine all the things we do. If you only let me, you won't regret it. Baby, could you give me light? You haven't shown me any signs. It's possible I've lost my mind, but I can be crazy, but that's how you like me. Intoxicated, I'm drunk on you. I'm paralyzed and can't move like a parasite. Stuck on you, baby, I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with you. I'm obsessed with you.
Alright, the flying's over. I felt like the flying wasn't really that good because I didn't do that much vertical elevation. I'm mostly just flying on the horizontal axis because that's more what I'm used to, so I need to do more practice on the sim and in real life flying around environments like that you just saw. So that's the vlog for today. As always, onward and upward. Now, if you guys know how to fix this, please tell me. I'm pretty sure this has not happened before. The SD drive, I'm pretty sure, is still pretty fine, but this is new, so I think I might just have to buy a new SD card. I hope it's not the GoPro, because that would be a problem. But yeah, if you guys know what the problem is or how you guys think you can fix it, please drop it down in the comments below. It'd be very, very helpful for me. But as always, onward and upward.